sure can, and we're bringing the festive spirit straight to you. The twinkling lights of Times Square, the dazzling displays in store windows, and the iconic Rockefeller Center tree lighting up the skyline. But hold on, y'all. While it's the most wonderful time for many, let's not forget our military families who might be facing challenges. For them, the season may be a bit tougher. That's why, in the true spirit of giving, we're headed to Fort Wadsworth to make a difference. We'll be renovating the Blue Star family's food pantry, ensuring that those who serve our country have a little extra cheer this holiday season.
So I'm in Fort Wadsworth in Staten Island, New York, at the Blue Star family's food pantry.
This market supports military and veteran families that are experiencing food insecurity. And we're gonna give this place a renovation, a total facelift. This carpet, tearing it out, it's gotta go. We're gonna be putting in cabinetry and shelves. I can't wait for our volunteers to get here because I need help. I need a lot of help. I can't do this by myself. I need to start tearing out this floor. Okay, yeah, let's do it. All right, they said the dumpster just arrived. Oh, we have a dumpster. We do have a dumpster. All the carpet is out and the flooring gets installed real soon. The food pantry opened in January of 2022 through a partnership with the Staten Island Giving Circle. It would have never been possible without the financial and hands-on volunteer support of the members of the Giving Circle. This is a great example of how communities can do their part to address issues like food insecurity.
Well, I'm passionate about veterans because I really appreciate what they do. I can't say enough about what they do for our country. It's my service giving back.
Mike McCann, U.S. Navy veteran, served 7 years submarine service. It's important to give back, so that's why I'm here today. They do so much for us and our freedom here in this country. This pantry is going to look awesome after this renovation. So very, very happy to be here.
Awesome, high five! And that's exactly what the Do Your Part campaign is all about, bringing communities together to support our military families through actions, big and small. Are you wondering why they're hanging a TV sideways? Well, let me tell you. I really wanted a digital display, but they're so expensive. So here's the workaround. I used a donated TV and hung it vertically. And to add an extra layer of interest, I used laser-cut wooden hexagons mounted to the wall. I think it adds a touch of style and it transforms the ordinary into something extraordinary. We're in the middle of installing cabinets to craft the ultimate breakfast station because let's face it, breakfast is the MVP of meals. This station not only ensures families find all they need effortlessly, but also adds a touch of organized charm with bonus cabinet overflow storage. All right, so we're in this room now, working on here and getting all of these items out. This is making a huge impact on the military families and veteran families in this area. So it is well worth the work. All right, we keep going. And look at this, we're so lucky to have a professional organizer stop by to help us maximize every inch of this space.
Yeah, I kind of want to create a space plan, so just creating some zones for the different items. Okay. So it makes it easy. It seems like there's a lot of just different soups, broths, gravy. So it might take up more than one shelf. But the goal is to create like these zones so that it makes it easy to shop. You don't want anybody trying to figure it out, slowing up kind of the flow.
Hats off to Catherine for lending her expertise to our pantry makeover. It's a testament to the power of individuals doing their part, coming together and making a lasting impact on the lives of military families. By making this space optimally functional, it means we can have more food on the shelves and help more military families.
We're having a great time here today. We're unloading food, we're unloading all kinds of household items, all to be delivered to military families for the holiday season and beyond. Because boy, there's nothing more important than taking care of the military.
I'm volunteering today because I am the daughter and stepdaughter of 2 Vietnam veterans. I also grew up right across the bridge in Brooklyn, so this is kind of my hometown, and I have the utmost respect for our military, and I think that they deserve a lot of respect. And I think the most valuable thing you can give someone or an organization is your time. It's very easy to write a check, but it's not so easy to give your time up.
We're part of the Phillips 66 Veterans Network, and we're here to volunteer to help clean up the pantry and get everything ready for people to come get stuff for Christmas. Volunteering is a way to continue my service. I was in the Marine Corps for 10 years, and my family's been in the military for many generations, and we really enjoy serving and giving back, and this is a way to keep connected with that premise.
Shout out to our friends at Homes for Heroes who are stepping up to do their part in the food pantry makeover. Y'all, they stayed with us till the wee hours of the morning. I don't even know where to begin. We can't bring the freezer or the refrigerator up the stairs. So we gotta cut it off and then put it back all today because the makeover is at 8 o'clock in the morning tomorrow. I'm fine. Fine, everything's fine. Oh, wait a minute. Do you see this, guys? Looks like a fridge. Oh my goodness. We had a problem of epic proportions, but our super volunteers made it happen. Heck yes. Kudos to the A-team. The countdown to unveiling the transformed Blue Star Family's food pantry at Fort Wadsworth is on, and we're fueled by passion and possibly some caffeine, but whatever it takes. Y'all stay with us as we race against the clock. Who needs sleep when helping military families is what it's all about?
Oh my gosh, seeing this room, how it's stocked, how beautiful it is. I'm so grateful to Maria and her team and all the donors. This has transformed this place from something that was, you needed it, to now it's like it lifts up your day. It's almost like going to a spa, And I think the dignity and the respect that the families are going to feel because of how beautiful it is it changes everything.
Look at this, so nice.
We really love our Craig Newmark Tri-State chapter here in New York because there is a lot of military here in New York City, in the Tri-State area. There's 20,000 active duty military with their families in this area. That's a big number. And the number one component here is the Coast Guard. People don't always think about the Coast Guard, but they keep us safe, just like the rest of our military does too. We brought so many members of the community in to support this food pantry here in Fort Wadsworth, and that gives people a window into not just the food insecurity issue, but all the ways we have to welcome these families, give them a great experience in New York, make them stronger, they help make our nation stronger, we all win.
We continue on into the second space where we also created a prep kitchen.
So we crafted a cooking space where we invite local chefs to join hands to support our military families through engaging cooking demos. It's where the magic of cooking meets the magic of community. Some of the most sought after items are baby essentials, and we created a snug corner dedicated to fulfilling all their needs.
Thank you all for watching this special episode of Moving with the Military.
That's a wrap!